In a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there was a legend that sent shivers down the spines of the villagers. It was the legend of the empty, mysterious box. For generations, the villagers had passed down stories of the strange box hidden deep within the heart of the densest part of the forest. No one dared to venture near it, for it was said that the box was cursed, and anyone who opened it would face unspeakable horrors. The box was a tall, imposing structure made of dark wood and adorned with intricate carvings. Its lid was tightly sealed, and no one knew what lay inside. It stood in the center of a small clearing, surrounded by tall, gnarled trees that seemed to whisper secrets to anyone who approached. The legend of the box had kept villagers away from the forest's heart for as long as anyone could remember. But one day, a young girl named Lily decided to face her fears and unravel the mystery of the empty, mysterious box. Lily was known for her courage and curiosity. She had always believed that there was more to the legend than met the eye. With a backpack filled with courage and determination, she set out into the forest, determined to reach the clearing. As she ventured deeper into the forest, the trees seemed to close in on her, casting eerie shadows. The air grew cooler, and the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves turned into a haunting silence. But Lily pressed on. Finally, after what felt like hours, she reached the clearing. There it stood, the empty, mysterious box, as imposing and enigmatic as ever. It seemed to beckon her closer, and Lily knew she couldn't turn back now. With trembling hands, Lily approached the box. She could feel her heart pounding in her chest as she reached out to touch it. The carvings on the box seemed to come to life, telling a story of bravery and curiosity. Summoning all her courage, Lily slowly lifted the lid of the box. To her surprise, it was empty. There were no horrors, no curses, just an empty space waiting to be filled. As she stared into the box, Lily realized the true meaning of the legend. The box wasn't cursed. It was a test of courage and curiosity. It was a reminder that sometimes our fears are unfounded, and what we imagine to be a curse can turn out to be an opportunity waiting to be explored. Filled with a newfound sense of bravery, Lily decided to leave a small, meaningful object inside the box, a symbol of her courage and the lesson she had learned. With a sense of accomplishment, she closed the lid and made her way back to the village. Word of Lily's courage and discovery spread throughout the village. The villagers realized that the legend of the empty, mysterious box was not a curse, but a challenge to face their fears and embrace their curiosity. From that day on, the villagers no longer feared the box. They approached it with courage and left their own tokens inside, each symbolizing their newfound bravery. The box became a symbol of courage, curiosity, and the power of facing one's fears. And so, in the small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, the legend of the empty, mysterious box became a testament to the importance of courage, curiosity, and the rewards of facing the unknown with an open heart.